Hello everyone, in this video we will review some anatomy MCQs and provide quick answers. Later in the video we will go into detailed explanation for each question. Question number 1. Right coronary artery supplies all except anterior two-thirds of ventricular septum, SA node, AV node or left bundle branch. The correct answer is A, anterior two-thirds of ventricular septum. The next question, bicipital aponeurosis lies over which structure in cubital fossa? Options are ulnar nerve, radial nerve, brachial artery or anterior interosseous artery. Correct answer is C, brachial artery. Question number 3. True about circumcaval ureter. Options are developmental anomaly of ureter. Ureter passes in front of IVC from lateral to medial. Mostly involves right ureter, or T, type 2 is more common. So here the correct answer is C, mostly involves right ureter. Question number 4. Structure over bicipital aponeurosis in cubital fossa. Options are ulnar nerve, radial nerve, brachial artery or veins. Correct answer is D, veins. Next question. Second part of duodenum is derived from. Options are A, foregut, midgut, both foregut and midgut or hindgut. The correct answer is C, both foregut and midgut. Next question, artery piercing the oblique popliteal ligament of knee. Options are superior genicular, inferior genicular, middle genicular or popliteal. The correct answer is C, middle genicular vessels. Next question, which of the following is a retroperitoneal structure? Options are ileum, jejunum, ureter or appendix. The correct answer is C, ureter. Next question, question number 8. Falciform ligament contains. Options are A, ligamentum venosus, B, ligamentum teres, C, lienorenal ligament or D, none of the above. So the correct answer is B, ligamentum teres. Next question, question number 9. Parasympathetic supply to lacrimal glands are passed through. कौन सप्लाई कर रहा है lacrimal gland को? lesser petrosal nerve, chorda tympani, greater petrosal nerve or lingual nerve? Here the correct answer is C, greater petrosal nerve. Question number 10. Anterior part of interventricular septum is supplied by. Options are E, right coronary artery, left coronary artery, posterior descending coronary artery or none. So here the correct answer is B, left coronary artery. For more details, watch the entire video. Question number 1. Right coronary artery supplies all except A, anterior two-thirds of ventricular septum, B, SA node, C, AV node and D, left bundle branch. So here you can see this is the right coronary artery and entire conducting system. It is supplied by the right coronary artery. So here the correct answer is A, anterior two-thirds of ventricular septum because it is supplied by the left coronary artery. Now question number 2. Bicipital aponeurosis lies over which structure in cubital fossa? Options are A, ulnar nerve, B, radial nerve, C, brachial artery and D, anterior interosseous artery. So in this diagram you can see this is the biceps tendon and this one is the bicipital aponeurosis, this is brachial artery and this one is the median nerve. So bicipital aponeurosis, it lies over the brachial artery. So the correct answer is C. Now question number 3. True about circumcaval ureter. Options are A, developmental anomaly of ureter, B, ureter passes in front of inferior vena cava from lateral to medial, C, it mostly involves right ureter and D, type 2 is common. So here in this diagram you can see this one is the inferior vena cava and this one is the ureter. So here this is mainly because of the anomalies of the vessels. So the first option is wrong here. Ureter passes in front of IVC from lateral to medial, that is also wrong. So the true about circumcaval ureter, that is it is mostly involves the right ureter. Now the next question, question number 4. Structure over bicipital aponeurosis in cubital fossa. Options are A, ulnar nerve, B, radial nerve, C, brachial artery and D, veins. So in this diagram here you can see these are the veins which lies superficial to this aponeurosis. So here the correct answer is D, veins. Next question, question number 5. Second part of duodenum is derived from. Options are A, foregut, B, midgut, C, both foregut and midgut and D, hindgut. So in this diagram here you can see this one is the duodenum and this is the opening of bile duct into the second part of duodenum. So part proximal to this opening it develops from the foregut and part distal to it develops from the midgut. So here the correct answer is both foregut and midgut. Next question, artery piercing the oblique popliteal ligament of knee. Options are A. Superior genicular, B. Inferior genicular, C. Middle genicular, and D. Popliteal artery. So here this is the oblique popliteal ligament, which is actually the insertion of the semimembranosus tendon, and it is pierced by the middle genicular vessels and nerves. So here the correct answer is C. Middle genicular. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following is a retroperitoneal structure? Options are A. Ileum, B. Jejunum, C. Ureter, and D. Appendix. So here you can see, you can remember it by a mnemonic: sad pucker, S suprarenal gland, A means aorta and inferior vena cava, D stands for the duodenum, second and third part of the duodenum, P pancreas, U ureter, C colon, ascending colon and descending colon, K stands for kidney, E esophagus, and R stands for rectum. So here the correct answer is C ureter. Now question number 8, falciform ligament contains, options are A. Ligamentum venosum, B. Ligamentum teres, C. Linorenal ligament, and option D. None of the above. So here you can see these are the two lobes of liver, right lobe and the left lobe, which is separated by a falciform ligament, and in the floor of this falciform ligament there is a round ligament of liver, which is also known as the ligamentum teres hepatis, which is actually the remnant of left umbilical vein. So here the correct answer, it is ligamentum teres. Falciform ligament contains ligamentum teres. Next question, question number 9. Parasympathetic supply to lacrimal glands are passed through. Options are A. Lesser petrosal nerve, B. Chorda tympani nerve, C. Greater petrosal nerve, and D. Lingual nerve. So here lacrimal, for the lacrimal gland, the ganglion related to it, it is the pterygopalatine ganglion, and preganglionic fibers, they arises from the greater petrosal nerve, which is the branch of seventh cranial nerve, that is the facial nerve. So here the correct answer is C. Greater petrosal nerve. Next question, question number 10. Anterior part of interventricular septum is supplied by A. Right coronary artery, B. Left coronary artery, C. Posterior descending coronary artery, and D. None. Now here you can see this is the interventricular septum. So anterior 2/3 part, it is supplied via the anterior interventricular branch, which is the branch of left coronary artery, and posterior 1/3 part of the septum, it is supplied via posterior interventricular branch, which is the branch of right coronary artery. So here we have to look for the anterior part of interventricular septum. So it is supplied by the left coronary artery.